Hi, welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on laptop or PC. Open a page where you want to take screenshots. For example, I want to take a screenshot on my computer now. Simply press Windows logo plus print screen on your keyboard. It will automatically take a screenshot. To check your screenshot, simply go to the Pictures folder and open Screenshot folder. It is where the screenshot will be saved automatically. Let's try it again. This time we will gonna take another screenshot. Let's try this one. Again, press Windows logo plus print screen on your keyboard. Now let's check the screenshot. There you go, a full screenshot on your screen. I am gonna show you another method to take a screenshot. Go to the Windows search bar and just simply type Snipping Tool. Then click Open. There are 4 ways to take a screenshot: rectangular mode, window mode, full screen mode and freeform mode. Now let's try the rectangular mode. Select rectangular mode, then click New. Let's try to capture the Mozilla logo. You can view your screen capture, and once you are happy with it, don't forget to save your screenshot. You can also save as PNG, JPEG or a GIF. Now let's check the screenshot. There you go. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.